Here, I'll throw it out. If anybody's got any garbage, I'll
Family. Half Korean, you know?
throw it out.
Look at the skin. Look at the same color. Zeros. Well, when are you going to be at 110?
Friday.
Early?
8:30.
Ooh. And is that open or is it open play?
Yeah, it's always open play. Even when last week we had the tournament, there's still open play.
No, I was at the potluck.
That's what I was trying to do all day yesterday. The soft little.
But I didn't come to the
yeah.
I saw Ruben, he told me it was nice. He said it was hot as hell. Nice. Good shot.
I knew she was gonna go there too, and I lifted it up.
Go through the middle.
I lifted it up instead of just putting it down.
So how do you get? Do you go by train or
The one train.
102 parking lot there, right?
There's a lot of parking, but it's like it's hard to get a spot. Yeah. But there is a lot of street parking, and you can always do meter parking on Broadway.
You're one. I was wondering. I wanted to ask you last time. I was like, damn, I wonder if there's any parking.
0-1. Okay.
You ever see those people playing over there in by the tunnel, 34th and
Hudson River Park?
no, it's right by the Midtown tunnel.
Oh, St. Martin's, the handball court?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to go there pretty often.
I passed by there, I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, but you know, there's so many options. You don't have to play on short courts anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Good shot. I mean, they've gotten better, but it's hard to get drop and play there. What up? Like where you can just go and pick up games. Yeah, St. Martin's.
Oh yeah? I thought it looked like that's how it is.
It is when there are people there and someone, put out their nets.
Oh yeah, I got you. You just saw you're not sure if anybody's gonna do that.
Come here every day?
Well, I've been coming since I came yesterday before, and I came by myself and was drilling.
So this is your main court now? How far are you?
Depending on the traffic, could be 10, 25 minutes. Frank's is closer. I'm in Jackson Heights. So I'm by 84th and I was close to the other part that you saw. Yeah, all I had to do was like go straight down. But yeah, I like the fact it's dedicated. Right now it's not as packed until people start playing. I was going to GO with him a lot.
Yeah. How do you know Jason? Or how did you meet Jason?
Met him in QC. Him and Man and Mel. We just started talking and like,
2-1-2.
Summer was coming, so he's like, let's go outside. Rob was here yesterday.
Damn. Is that gonna be good?
Skinny Rob, retired pump. He was here yesterday. You know that I took your spot in the tournament, right?
Oh,
the MLP tournament.
Wow. Oh, nice.
Day.
Yeah. Okay. Well, no, I thought we got eliminated.
No.
Oh, there was still.
No, we got the bronze.
Oh, you had to do the side out. Dream break.
Yeah. Me and Dave, we won the first. We won the nail. I think we lost. We might have lost. I went to Dream Breaker, and he put me against Justin.
All right, there we go.
And I was like,
Let's go.
are you sure? Because I'm like, you and Justin match up. He's like, well, if you
Justin
can,
bet?
huh? Justin in the book. Black Justin. he ended up playing 2 because Jason's team needed a player. George had to leave. It was funny because I was supposed to originally be on Jason's team, but my staff was kind of messed up like the week before, and I was like, you know, I'm not gonna make a bad team. I'm gonna make this team for you guys to listen.
And you beat Justice and singles.
I got 4 points. But not that I'm better than him, but I think he underestimated me. Maybe
That way.
didn't think that I was
That way.
so kind of
No,
surprised.
that was good by you. You blocked it. That was good.
Not like I'm gonna beat him in a regular singles game. I don't know, but he was pissed. So I got 4 straight. Jason I know, 4-3-2. So we just get building from there. And we won. So nice shot. I could use that as cue, right? Tim, can you get a permit for you?
I don't know. I applied for one. They said no.
They said no?
I thought you were waving your head no. I thought you were
I know, I wasn't asking anybody. Hey. Good. Nice. Yo, you turned. Was like, oh shit!
Out, you gave up. It just says if you can't look, if it's not in the list, then you just describe it.
I see yours. She said.
Is it my
Still ball?
Yeah.
Definitely. It was 5-3. 6-3 now.
6-3. So I thought you were shaking your head no, but no, they haven't responded to it yet. So I actually called them yesterday. 3-6. They said normally I have to submit it way ahead in advance if I'm trying to organize for it. I was like, hey, the event's in 2 weeks.
4-6.
I'm like, oh, well, you only did it in like 21 days or whatever. You really should have done it a long time ago, more than 30 days.
Yeah, but you didn't even know about these. This wasn't even
Yeah, but then I see on the website, like, it's like, starting September 23, we'll start taking applications for the next year. So that means that people have been,
year in advance.
yeah, people have been doing it for a long time.
Nice.
He said, yeah, once the manager gets to it. I don't know what that means.
You like it. Once it gets so
It's late. It's too late.
And then they also said that, I don't know if it's per court or for the whole event, but they said it's another $8 an hour on top of whatever.
5-6-2.
So I don't know if it's for each court, it's $8 an hour, or if it's for the whole space. Maybe in the system it's still labeled as tennis court 16. I should like probably just put it for that.
Why do that?
How do you do that?
You trying to ATP it? You trying to ATP it from the beach?
You were trying to kill it from there. You're rushing me. I feel like it's not.
It's 6-6. 6-6-1.
6-6-1.
They're gonna make 2 courts dedicated to it. Yeah, we have 6 there right now. I'm worried they want to make half the space like a mini soccer field or something.
6-6-2.
Enough soccer. Enough soccer.
You may not, this might be surprising, but there's actually more demand for soccer.
No, I believe it and I know it because every softball field that you go to, it's all soccer. But I'm just saying, this is becoming, very popular. It has become.
Oh, yeah. And it makes sense.
Families could go, you see families all the time coming to, they just come and they hang out, they hit around. And, you know what I mean?
I don't know what they want to do with the other half of the field, so I gotta find out. It's soccer, that's pretty exact.
You already had that issue over there.
Yeah, I broke 400 pair of glasses from a soccer ball.
Good shot, man. Good shot. Really?
Yeah, Moser? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You ever had, remember Moses, this guy just come and put the line across the fucking field and all that shit?
They're like drilling holes in the asphalt.
Yep. But they don't say anything about that, right? They mess around about the line. He doesn't drill them across. To let you do the design for it. get in touch with them. I don't care. Start petitioning.
I think so Ken's turn is in charge of the parks, he's head of the parks, so you can write him an email or just to his office and see you're interested in pickleball, especially at Frank Princeton, and how they can help you. Or if you have any questions, just say hi.
It's a space that hasn't been used in years. They probably would have never did anything unless, you know what I mean? If you did it, now all of a sudden.
Most people use it under age
981?
Well, you're walking your dogs and your things. Who took out those little gates that you put? They're all on the floor now. Not the big white ones, the little tiny small ones.
Oh, no, I took them out because they don't work that way. 982. They keep falling all the way. They mowed the grass one time, so they pulled it out, but they fell on the side.
I was getting to right there. I was getting to. I know.
391.
It was evil, Jason.
No, you didn't serve.
That's what I thought. So what's your shoe?
Wait, who served?
Nice should be this side. Nice shirt.
Sorry, sorry.
9-9.
Find some little things. Yeah, we want to be on Friday. So. Yeah, some place in Charlottesville.
Jason, you okay?
Where'd that come from? Oh, shit. I know what that feels like.
Where'd that pole come from?
That pole's been here.
Oh, you hit that before too?
That hurts. That hurts.
Oh,
God.
Somebody over there.
Oh,
He got that ball. He just pulled harder.
You know how nicer than I am. I feel like, game over.
Let's do the ball.
Alright, ready?
Wait, my turn.
Wait.
Nobody
Yeah?
can.
Okay.
We have one more chance. 10-9-2. 10-9-2. Honestly, I see them come and fight the garbage, and that's it. But I think the big is going to do the common stuff. Like they collect the garbage from over there, not that they manage.
Oh, yeah.
But whoever takes the garbage from over there, this whole strip,
Keep it
garbage.
quick.
9-10.
Room in the thing there.
99.
My room.
It's yours? Oh,
Nine, ten.
I told you I'm gonna bring this when I work out of this thing. I get like two and have this space. Give you one.
I can't believe my paddle hit
I'm
it.
gonna tell you, when you run off and you hit it hard, it's gonna go
Not
out
the
every
roll,
time.
not the roll thing. I don't
Your
know.
momentum
Just a regular
plus your
squeegee.
strength.
Maybe it'll work.
There's no way you're gonna get that. Come on, Jason.
That's the evil Jason. That's the evil Jason.
Oh gosh. You leaving, Polo?
Yeah, my son have to go get him. Go to work. I thought I wasn't gonna cover. I thought he had to be with like 12. My wife said 3 or so. I got